My scholarship helped me achieve my goal into going up to Townsville and representing Brisbane.
I used it to put forward to complete a year of part-time dance, and I'm also working on completing my Certificate 3 in Elite Dance.
It's an amazing opportunity for Aboriginal and Torres Strait Islander young people, so 25 and under, from across Queensland, to be able to apply for the scholarship. It's not a set thing, particularly around, it just has to be football or it just has to be for your education. It can be a broad range of things that interest the individual, that actually is about progressing their hopes and dreams and aspirations and hobbies.
Nothing better that was said to me when I was a young person, and my mum was a proud Aboriginal woman from Bidgera, and she told me there's two types of people in the world, those who can and those who can't. Which one are you?
I think people should apply because it would be a great opportunity for them to figure out just what they like and to have a go, and the fees could cover that as well.
Probably just put yourself out there, go for it, because you never know, you might have the privilege of getting the scholarship and it'll help so much.